Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Woodlands Pavilion, or over the Woodlands, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Tomball, Liberty, Dayton, Kingwood, the Woodlands, Spring, Oak Ridge North, Shenandoah, Splendora, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Ames, Plum Grove, Kennefic, Woodloke, Dayton Lakes, the Woodlands Pavilion, and Chateau Woods. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.